Hello everyone, I am Walt, and here we are with part 40 parts in on 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis, a life hack series all about happiness. So what is this specific principle all about? How does this one work? This one is to throw a party or plan to throw a party soon. Now let me tell you, I have some disagreements with this one. I guess it depends on what you define as a party. I would think celebrate with close friends, close family, close romantic partners. Yes, do that, okay? Have some champagne, have your favorite dishes, if you like that kind of stuff. Watch your favorite shows, watch your favorite movies, play your favorite games. Celebrate, okay? Celebration is so important. Now throwing a party I associate with too many people, okay? I do not like me some big parties with bad foods and supplying all these drinks and supplying all the food and doing it all yourself. Because throwing a party, bad idea. Going to a party, great. Throwing a party, no. Like if you have servants to do that for you, then make that happen. Or if it's a small group of people, go ahead. But I'm more of an introvert than an extrovert to the degree that I would rather just have a fun time by myself or with a few people instead of a big number of people. I do not need to be dealing with all those people, I'll do it from time to time, but I mean, come on, I don't want to have to deal with a massive number of people. It's just irritating. Ugh, man. So I would say that throwing a party, if you feel like that's going to be a celebration event, go ahead. I don't think that that's celebrating anything. I think it's a waste of time and money. So I would say that instead, throw yourself any kind of celebration. If you just want to drink by yourself or, cheer for yourself or do something fun for yourself, go ahead and do that for you. But, throw a party if you want to, but otherwise I would just say celebrate is the main principle. But celebration is important. It's important to acknowledge anything you do and celebrate everything. Now, you think that this is nothing, but a big part of some Buddhist cultures, and I'm going to say some, not all, is to celebrate things that are small, to celebrate things that happen that are small. And you don't have to throw the same kind of size party you might if you were celebrating the biggest thing ever. But you want to throw yourself a celebration, whenever something small happens, whenever you accomplish something, because it gives weight to it, okay? If you don't celebrate these things, you're just passing time. You're not feeling it, you're not living your best life, and you're not being happy. So definitely celebrate, okay? Celebrate as much as you can. It doesn't all need to be, the same thing or the same expense. It just needs to be something small. Celebrate your life, because celebration is what life so much is about. Anyway, that is about it for this principle of happiness. I will see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.